Yo, what's going on, everybody? I got my headphones ready, so you know what that means. In this video, we're gonna be watching some TikTok ads and judging them, trying to figure out why they're working. So yeah, some of these TikTok ads that we're gonna be spying on or basically reacting to are worth millions of dollars. And if you don't really understand why that is, then you're probably new around here. Basically, on my channel, we talk a lot about e-commerce and the game of business, really. So personally, I've always seen e-commerce and online business as sort of a video game. So that's what I mean by the game of business. And one of the best tools within this game is TikTok. So let's get some inspiration together. Let's see what we can find. Now, I'm using this tool called Minia right now, which is one of my favorite tools for this kind of thing. It's actually a software founded by some pretty cool people. And what you can do here is you can go to the TikTok ads tab and we can filter by likes. So we want to make sure that these videos that we're watching have a lot of likes. That's how we know for sure that these videos are making money. And what we can do is we can also try to filter here by Shopify stores so that maybe it shows us only Shopify stores. Now let's take a look at this first one here.
That's just a stupid boulder.
It's not
Crystal
just
mushroom.
a boulder.
It's a crystal. Nothing more.
So mushroom crystals, this is something I haven't seen before. Obviously the crystal niche, the astrology niche is huge, right? I mean, that's something that people are massively passionate about. So there's tons of cool Shopify stores in that space, but I've never thought about mushroom crystals. I guess that's a special thing that I've never seen before. This video right here has an insane amount of engagement, super simple, 9 seconds long. So this just goes to show you, you got to start testing stuff on TikTok, guys, because you just never know. Let's see this one, fruit tested razors. We don't test on animals. Our razors are tested on fruit and marshmallows. This is a really good ad right here, guys. This is a great mix of UGC kind of ad, right? Which is user generated content. So this looks like you and I made this video, but it also talks about some pretty interesting things like how they don't test on animals, which a lot of companies do test on animals. So that's kind of messed up. And they're fighting that, right? So here's the store that they're selling, Jill starter kit with pre-shave magic wipes. Very beautiful landing page, very, very well done right here. Even though their traffic is down, I think the store has a ton of potential. So the people at Jill, you guys gotta hit me up here to run some of your ads. We've been getting some pretty crazy results lately. And I'm just trying to grow together with brands that are actually doing cool stuff. So really, really great ad right here. And as you can see, I mean, million plays, 160,000 likes in only like one day. I think that's super cool, man. This tool is so powerful, right? We've only looked at the first 2 ads here and we already see some really amazing marketing angles, ad types, product ideas, so many cool things.
For me, I really like cold.
I really like corn.
It's cold. A big corn Vietnam. It has the juice.
This is a really trending sound on TikTok, by the way, which is something, if you don't know, on TikTok, the sounds are like one of the biggest things that help you go viral, aside from the content, obviously. But this is just like a dog fit, I think. Let's see what the product is all about. Lil Pickles Bite. It's a silly pug from Toronto. Okay, so this is just like a famous dog, I guess, and he created his own little pickle bites. Again, pretty interesting store right here, a lot of potential. This dog is super cute and very funny. This is a great ad, by the way. I mean, 2 million plays. Package slime with me.
Package slime with me. Carapace soup pancake. Pack some glossy base, leaving room for the
So
clay.
this is a
Some
slime
chocolate
brand.
clay and roll it out. Cut out a circle.
This is a great idea, by the way. If you produce your own products, just make a video making the product and just paste it just like this person is pasting
Add
it.
a cute carapace face onto the clay and top the slime with it. The mixed texture is a chubby and puffy slime that feels and smells like whipped soup pancake.
Interesting. Slime is so popular still. It's so funny. Okay, so this person is actually sold out on like everything right now. That's amazing. Such a cool little brand here and such a funny idea. And as you can see, this has 1 million plays, 92,000 likes. Let's see what this is about here. We added gold leaf to our black crystals. What do our besties think? So I guess this is just like a jewelry product. Whoa, this is a high ticket product right here. So great idea for some of you guys that are looking for high ticket e-commerce opportunities out here. This New York jewelry store sells some like body jewelry, Body jewelry could be a good idea. I never really thought about that, but you know, this store is doing pretty well with it. And as you can see, they're almost at 1 million views here with 170,000 likes on this very simple video. Let's see what we got here. Oh, okay, this is a nifty tool to clean your computer. Whoa. Wait, what? I need this. That was so good. I need this product right here. So this is a perfect TikTok made me buy it kind of thing right here. And look at that. This is a general store, a general drop shipping store. A lot of you guys asked me, Arie, can you find a general store that is killing it to review? Here we go, guys. Finally found one that's really good. This store is obviously doing pretty well if they have a TikTok that's going that viral. So let's take a look super quick. I don't know which product that was. It was this one, multifunctional dust cleaning brush. This product is such a good idea. I need one myself, honestly. So I'm gonna look into that. I'll probably buy it on Amazon though, which is actually like a big hack that you can do if you are starting a dropshipping store. Just order your product on Amazon and make content with it. You can dropship it, and you know, if people ask you, you know, can you give it to me at the same price as Amazon, you could price match it for those specific people. You know, try to provide a good service, guys, obviously. But let's continue here. We're finding some great stuff today. Okay, so here we go. We got another one.
This person has such a good point. Why are we still using this horrible metal device to examine women in 2022? Especially when you consider this device was invented by a man who used to experiment on enslaved black.
Whoa, this was kind of deep. So that's another good trend, by the way. Just like replying to people's questions on TikTok. That's what this is about. And they're promoting this store right here, Overa, which apparently is a drug-free period pain relief brand. That's actually a very powerful niche, by the way. I mean, obviously, women go through a lot when they go through their periods, so this is a really good idea and solves a big pain point. So, wow, awesome brand, awesome stuff. And an educational TikTok is always a good idea for a marketing video. I don't remember where I heard it, but I heard it somewhere that education is the best form of marketing. Okay, let's continue here. This is a eyebrow trimmer, I guess. So they're showing like a trim kit that they have going on. Trimming eyebrows, thinning them out. Very nice. So this is a really good ad right here. I mean, it's super simple and, you know, just shows the product in action, I guess. They don't even show the final result. And they're linking to this store right here, which is, again, another sort of general niche store. They're using the Sense theme on Shopify. I can tell right away because I got a Shopify 6th Sense, by the way, if you don't know. So if you want to create a store like this in like 10 minutes, go to the first link in the description, click that Shopify link and start your store today. And yeah, this is the product I believe that they were showing. And they're only charging $3. So I'm guessing they're doing some pretty interesting pricing strategies. So they're making it super low price for TikTok. And then I'm sure what they're doing is charging for shipping. So apparently they're only charging $4 for shipping. That's pretty surprising. This is probably a direct China supplier that just created a Shopify store and is starting to post TikToks organically. So they don't really need the price to be super high. They're playing a volume game here, which is the same thing that brands like Shein are doing. I don't like that approach, but clearly it works, and especially on TikTok. So yeah, this is getting a bit long. I hope that you enjoyed this though. I definitely learned a couple things here today. You know, I feel really blessed that every day I get to learn stuff within the e-commerce space and the business game. Especially as someone with an agency, I can pass on so much of this knowledge to the brands that we work with and the brands that we take on. So if I'm getting a ton of value from this, I'm sure that you guys are as well. Let me know in the comments what you want to see on the channel though. I'm always looking for new video ideas from you guys. I'm gonna start streaming soon. That's why I'm kind of setting up this little room, this little office to be like the ideal streaming setup, and we're gonna react to interesting business content and just a lot of cool shit like that. So make sure you guys are subscribed, give me some video suggestions, and that's about it. See you guys in the next video. Peace.